Good evening, friends. So let me demonstrate the MQTT connection that I have established using the application called MQTT Explorer. I set up this MQTT Explorer on my Windows machine, and this is the IP address of my Linux CentOS Stream 10 machine, which is hosting Mosquitto service, and the protocol here MQTT and running on 1883. So I have not configured TLS or any other certificates. Okay, so that is the reason that valid certificate is off, validate certificate is off, and even encryption TLS is off. So I'll talk about that a little later in my next videos. The rest of the things that I have configured is the username and the password. The temporary password I have given for testing for this particular user is ABCD1234, and there is no other configuration that is done. You can check it. So server certificate, client key, nothing has been configured because I do not have yet the TLS SSL self-signed certificate is not there. So let me try to connect and show you how it works and how it represents the data in the form of active graphs. So let me connect. It got connected. So I have pulled a few parameters that I would want to understand from the sensor PZAM 0040 version 3, and this is where the information comes from. So 150.192.168.29.150 is my CentOS machine, and Tasmota is the device discovery, and this is the hardware address of that smart sensor, and the sensor has this lot of information. So there's a lot of information that is coming from the sensor, but I am really worried about the current voltage and the frequency and maybe power factor. Power factor is what I see. So you can see that it is actively getting posted. So I set the telemetry period, the interval for posting data as 45 seconds right now. So I can decrease or increase because there's a lot of data that will be coming. So in about 2 minutes from now, you will see there's a lot of data that is coming into the system. So with this, you can clearly understand how much is the voltage, what is the variation in the voltage that is sensed by PZAM 0040, and it is available in market, and it is easily available. I bought it from robo.in. So now you see 3 dots, right? So earlier it started with 1, now it started having 3 data points. So 3 points it collected. And the interesting thing is current, everything seems to be very stable, and even power factor should be between 0 and 1. That is what I understand from the electrical engineers. So it seems to be fairly good enough. This is Einstein gated community called PBL city, Pebble City, where I am trying to monitor the power that we receive. Of course, there's no load to this sensor right now, so there is nothing that it records. This is a test, and today I've got a clamp CT, current transformer, and my future experiment would be to place that clamp server onto the mains. I think my mains is about 40 amps load, so I'll be placing that, and I'll be even looking deeper into the data that is getting posted. This is all for now. Everything seems to be working fine. Yeah, I need to just wait for some more time to get more data for me to analyze Yeah, it seems that there is a power factor variation is there from 0.05 to 0.06. It has jumped. So when you go to each of those points, right? So the time, exact date and time, everything is given here. I am from IST, so you can see that it is 10:20 p.m. almost, and it is 25th of February, yeah, today. So this is how it represents. Very interesting. The active graphs are very useful if you have to represent the data. So the data that is flowing in really gets into the graphs. Yeah, thanks for watching, and this I would want to once again draft an article, then publish it on Instructables. So please stay on my Instructables page for further details. How I configured the machine with MQTT, and what are the configuration changes that made me arrive at such kind of a situation. Yeah, adding another graph is also very easy. Suppose if I wanted to add a frequency, let us assume for a while. So just click on the graph icon that is there, and frequency also gets included. So whatever is not required, you can just turn it off. You can remove the chart. Okay, and this is the historical data also that is coming in, and the publish. I will be going deeper into the rest of the panes that are there, and I will keep you posted. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.